Hi and welcome to a new video on my channel. Today we're making this beautiful shawl. I will show you how to make the first pattern repetition and then you can follow along with the instructions in the PDF pattern that you can buy from my website. For this pattern you will need some yarn. I have here a Cotton King Twirls gradient cake with 800 meters of yarn. If you want to make a sample that's as small as the one that I showed you, you will use one of these. If you want to make it bigger, you will need more yarn, so you can try a different gradient cake or any yarn you like. You'll also need a hook that goes with your yarn, a pair of scissors, and a tapestry needle to finish off. We begin with a magic ring as always when we make this kind of shawl, and we put the hook through the loop, pull up one loop, and you can now do 4 chains, or you can make a standing treble crochet. I will make the chains because it's easier to demonstrate now, and I will show you later how to do the standing treble. And then we have 4 extended double crochet stitches, so we yarn over, put the hook through, pick up one loop, chain 1, then finish the double crochet stitch. Then we chain 1 and we have 4 more extended double crochet stitches and 1 treble. For the treble we just yarn over twice and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 until we are left with 1 loop on the hook. The first row is finished and now we can close the magic ring by pulling on the tail. Row 2. Now I will show you how to make the standing treble crochet. There are at least 2 methods to do this, so let's try the yarning over one. We pull up 1 longer loop and then we make a yarn over and then once more around the hook and then we hold with the finger. Then we insert the hook through the stitch, pick up 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through 2 again. Then we have 4 more extended double crochet stitches. And then we chain 1, we skip 1, we put an extended double crochet stitch in the next stitch. So we skip this one and put 1 extended double crochet stitch here. Then we chain 1, we skip 1 and put 1 more extended double crochet stitch in the next stitch. We have reached the middle space here. We chain 1, 1 extended double crochet stitch, chain 1, another extended double crochet stitch in the same space, and chain 1. Now we don't skip a stitch, we put an extended double crochet stitch in the next stitch here. Then we chain 1, skip 1 now, put 1 more extended double crochet stitch, and chain 1, and now we have 4 double crochet stitches and 1 treble in the last stitch, which is the top of the chain 4 here. That's 4 extended double crochet stitches and now 1 treble. Row 2 is finished. We turn and continue with row 3. Here we only have extended double crochet stitches except for the first and last stitch, which are trebles. So we make 1 treble in the first stitch, then 4 extended double crochet stitches also in the first stitch. Then we make extended double crochet stitches all the way to the middle space by putting 1 extended double crochet stitch in every stitch, including the chain 1 spaces. When we reach the middle space, here we put 2 extended double crochet stitches, then 1 chain, and then 2 more extended double crochet stitches. Then we have again extended double crochet stitches all the way to the last stitch, where we have 4 extended double crochet stitches and 1 treble. So now I've reached the last stitch, and I'm putting 4 extended double crochet stitches and 1 treble in the last stitch. Row 3 is finished. We turn. On row 4 we have the popcorns. We begin again with the treble and the 4 extended double crochet stitches in the first stitch. Then we have 1 extended double crochet stitch in the next stitch. Then we have 1 popcorn. To make the popcorn we make 5 extended double crochet stitches in the same stitch. Then we remove the hook from the yarn loop. We put the hook through the top of the first of these stitches. We pick up the yarn and slip. This makes 1 popcorn. Then we have 2 extended double crochet stitches, 1 in each of the next 2 stitches. Then we have 1 chain, skip 1, 2 more extended double crochet stitches, then 1 popcorn. Then we have 2 more extended double crochet stitches, chain 1, skip 1, 2 more extended double crochet stitches, 1 popcorn. If you don't like popcorns, you can replace these with 5 extended double crochet clusters. Now we have 2 extended double crochet stitches left on this side of the shawl. Then we have 2 extended double crochet stitches, chain 1, and 2 more extended double crochet stitches in the middle space. And then we mirror these instructions by making 2 extended double crochet stitches. Then we have a popcorn again. Two extended double crochet stitches, chain 1, skip 1, 2 extended double crochet stitches, and another popcorn. Then 2 more extended double crochet stitches, 1 in each of the next 2 stitches, chain 1, skip 1, 2 more extended double crochet stitches, and 1 more popcorn. Now I will show you how to make the cluster if you want to replace the popcorn with the cluster. You don't finish the first stitch, you don't finish the second, and so on until you have 6 loops on your hook. And then yarn over and pull through all of them. This creates a different kind of a 3D stitch, and it's your choice which one you like. I will leave it here in this sample. And then you have to chain 1 to lock it and pull on the chain. We have 1 more extended double crochet stitch before we reach the last stitch of the row, and now we put 4 extended double crochet stitches here and 1 treble. Row 4 is finished. We turn, and for row 5 we only have extended double crochet stitches, 1 in each stitch. So we begin with a treble, then 4 extended double crochet stitches, then we put 1 extended double crochet stitch in each of these stitches until the middle space. When you reach the popcorn stitch or the cluster stitch, you can make a back post extended double crochet stitch if you want it to pop out from the background some more. So to do this, you go with the hook behind the stitch here and come up like this, and then pick up a loop and do the regular extended double crochet stitch. And then continue in the next 5 stitches with extended double crochet stitches. And at the next popcorn or cluster stitch you do the same. You go behind, pick up a loop and finish the stitch. You continue like this until the middle space. When you reach the middle space, you have 2 extended double crochet stitches, chain 1, and make 2 more extended double crochet stitches in the same space. I will continue off camera and I will show you the result of this row. When you reach the last stitch, you put 4 extended double crochet stitches and 1 treble in the last stitch. Rows 2 through 5 will be the repeat sequence for this pattern. So you will continue by making 1 row of eyelets, then 1 row of extended double crochets in each stitch, then 1 row with popcorns, and 1 row with extended double crochet stitches in each stitch. In the PDF pattern you have all the stitch counts if you need them, and you also have the chart, but from now on, all you have to do is make sure you increase at the ends by 4 stitches and in the middle by 4 stitches. I will show you now how to bind off by continuing with the next row, which is a repeat of row 2, and adding popcorns every 12 stitches. We begin with a treble, and on top of this treble we will put 1 standing popcorn. So we chain 3. Then we put 5 extended double crochet stitches into the top of this stitch. And we close the popcorn as always. Then we slip stitch around the base of this popcorn to bring it down to the top of the treble stitch. And this is a standing popcorn stitch. Then we do the 4 extended double crochet stitches also in the first stitch. And we continue as in a repeat of row 2. We chain 1, we skip 1, put 1 extended double crochet stitch. Chain 1, skip 1, extended double crochet stitch. Chain 1, skip 1, extended double crochet stitch until we have 12 stitches here. And then we chain 1, skip 1, and put 1 more extended double crochet stitch. And now we have 12 stitches in here, and we make another standing popcorn. Then chain 1, skip 1, extended double crochet stitch 6 times. Make 1 popcorn. Then chain 1, skip 1, extended double crochet stitches until the middle of the row here. You will have many of these repeats when you finish. In the middle space we chain 1, put 1 extended double crochet stitch, and then we make a standing popcorn. Then 1 more extended double crochet stitch, chain 1, and then we continue on the other side, doing this until the last stitch, making sure that the 2 sides are symmetrical. When you reach the last popcorn, you make the slip stitch around the base and chain 1. Then you cut off the yarn and pull through the end and weave it in using the tapestry needle. If you don't want to do the popcorns on the edge, it's okay, you can just end with any row you like and bind off regularly. This will be the shape of the shawl, a slightly rounded triangle. If you want to, you can use a much bigger hook to make a shawl with thicker yarn, and you will need to make fewer rows to get a larger piece. If you need the stitch counts for each row, you can get the PDF pattern from my website, or you can just repeat the steps that I showed you in the previous rows to make this shawl as big as you like. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to know when I publish more videos, please subscribe. And if you want to try some other shows that I've made videos for, please check out the playlists that are here on the channel. I thank you very much for being here with me today, and I will see you next time. Bye!